Greetings, my princess. Ifedima. Greetings.
Greetings, Dimba. Kimba.
You look beautiful as always. The woman after my heart.
You flatter me with your words. Your words are like medicine to my soul.
Then I should keep flattering you. For the smile I see on your face brightens my day.
You and your words.
So tell me, my princess, for that's the reasons why you cannot resist my charms.
Dimba.
Ifedima, beautiful one, how are you?
I'm fine, Dimba. You always have a way of making one feel great.
I can't complain. It's a gift.
How do you cope with him as a friend?
My princess, he's the one who can never cease to stay away from me.
Both of you sound so alike. Okay, we have to be on our way now.
My princess.
Okay.
best herbs I used. Eh? I believe with these herbs, you'll be fine. Eh? Omali Chow, the pretty one sent by the gods. Stay alive for the gods. Yeah? Who is she? I saw her in the bush where I went to fetch herbs. You know, Mazi's daughter that has Apupu and Malina. I went to fetch herbs that I would use to take care of her. I saw her inside the bush, lying lifeless. So I decided to bring her home and take care of her. Do you know her? Huh? Hey. Okay. Will she be alright? I just hope so, because I use the best herbs that I know of on her. I just hope she'll be alright.
Now tell me, who do you think in this village that is prettier than me? I mean, who do you think?
Nobody.
You are the most beautiful.
Yes,
you are. Yes, you are. Are you guys mocking me?
No. You're the most beautiful.
I know.
Oh,
now,
no.
wait till the one I love. Until the day he will hold me in his hand and tell me, I love you and you are my queen.
Love, beautiful love. Turn around again. Beautiful Oloma. So beautiful.
Iago, Iago, go, Zago, Aya. Iago, Iago, go, Zago, Iago, go, Zago, Aya. Iago, Iago, go, Zago, Aya. Iago, Iago, go, Zago, Aya.
Gods of our land, speak, for I am listening. I am only but a mere messenger. Speak. I sense danger. Danger looms in the kingdom of Umbasi. It is close by. Hey! Hey! Okilikili kana buku osada liye. Onye si na o yari nyanwa. Te kwe jali so wan. Itinyo funku. Iyoko. Afa ya bonu ndokoko. Onwanye na ajo sisi okale. Mba. Ogi na afyo. Iago, Iago, go.
Zago, Aya. Iago, Iago, go. Zago, Aya.
Now, ogi na afyo si. Anumanu. Hey! Msogbu di o. Eh? Oh, come. Ekele mi. Don't come close.
I didn't know. I didn't know. Oh, Mama, no. I don't mean any harm, okay?
Who are you and how did I get here?
Okay, I will tell you. Sit down. Eh? You don't want to sit? Okay, no problem. My name is Akonna. I saw you in the bush where you were lying unconscious. Then I brought you back home with me. Yes.
Akonna.
Yes, Akonna. My father's wealth. That's the meaning. Eh? What happened to you? Eh? Like, why were you in the bush?
I can't remember.
You can't remember? Okay, no problem. But do you at least have a name? What is your name?
My name... Olamiri. Yes, Olamiri.
Hey, Olamiri. Beautiful name. Given to a beautiful one. Hey, my name. Sit down. Oh, sit down. Sit down. I know you're tired. Brother. Relax. Yeah? Calm down. Okay. Where are you from? Do you at least remember where you came from? You can't remember? Oh, okay. It's okay, no problem. I know you're very tired and hungry too. Just wait here. Let me go inside and get you something to eat. Eh? Stay here. Don't go anywhere. You hear?
Can't believe I have never seen you like this. You really look worried. What is it?
It's about my friend Akonna.
What is the problem with Akonna?
I met a young lady in his hut. He claimed he saved her. I'm just worried.
You mean you met a woman in Akonna's hut?
Yes. Well, she was unconscious when I left.
going to? You're so happy. I am going to the house of the one I love. In fact, the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Ha, Uloma. Your love for Akuna is something else. Hey.
You have no idea. I love him so much.
We know you do. And you have loved him long time.
No. If you say I love him so much, I think that's an understatement. The feeling is mutual. We love ourselves so much.
And we are so happy for you.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Okay, just be careful, okay?
You. Thank you. Take care of you. I'll see you later, yeah?
Okay. Bye-bye.
Akuna! Akuna! And what is your name?
I am Olamiri.
Where is Akuna?
Akuna is not here. He went into the bush to fetch some herbs.
I'll be back.
Uloma, my eyes have known no peace. You're the most radiant and beautiful maiden in the whole of Umbosi. Created for the gods, specially for me, Uloma.
Afamifuna, I have told you time and time without number to leave me alone. Let me be, don't you understand?
Uloma, I cannot leave you alone. I am going out for hunting, and I promise to bring the best of the antelopes in there for you.
Did I send you? Did I send you? Afamifuna, I am begging you. I'm begging you. Don't stop me again. Don't stop me again.
Uloma,
Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me! Leave me!
Olamide. Can you remember anything else? Anything about yourself?
No, Akuna. I don't even know who I am.
Hey, Ebezina, please don't cry. Don't cry again.
Akuna, the thing is, I have nowhere to go to. I don't have a place to stay.
Then, Ebezina, please don't cry again. Yeah? You're fine. You can stay with me here. Yes. I'll take good care of you. I will. Please.
Are you sure? I mean, for real?
Yes. I will.
Akuna, you're indeed sent by the gods. Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay. Sorry, my body's dirty. You go inside. Let me arrange these things while I get you something to eat.
No, it's fine. I'm not hungry, thank you.
Are you sure?
Ulo, what's the problem? Since we got here, you've been moody. You're not saying anything. We are your friends. So talk to us. What's going on? Tell us.
I saw her.
You saw who?
Who did you see? She is so beautiful. Her eyes were so beautiful. In fact, she looks like a goddess.
Who are you talking about?
Her name is Olamiri.
Olamiri?
Who is Olamiri? The lady Akuna put in his house.
Okay, so my dear friend, why are you worried about this Olamiri? Why?
Because I have a feeling that she's going to take Akuna away from me. And that will never happen.
But Akuna has never been yours.
And that is the truth.
I smell jealousy.
From who?
Both of you. In fact, both of you should just go.
To where?
Just leave. Get out.
To where?
Get out now! Get out!
Say you get out. Me, I should get out.
Bye-bye. No, wait. Hey.
Ah.
By the time I go to me, I will change that your old crown. That's your father's old crown.
Come with them.
My daughter will still get married now. Don't wish me to go to home.
Greetings, Your Highness. Lolo, my princess.
Jimba, the son of the soil. Obegunwoke, the greatest warrior in Mbosi. Welcome.
Thank you for your kind words, Your Highness.
Welcome, my son.
This is for you.
Wow, that's good. Thank you. May the gods strengthen you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
My princess.
Why don't you take Dimba around the palace? Yes, show him around.
Thank you, Your Highness. I would appreciate it all.
You know the ins and outs of the palace already.
But still, I would appreciate your company.
Go.
Go, my dear. God! Go inside and get me coffee.
Rum and wine. Now, I don't go. My father.
You seem so quiet, my princess. Did I offend you?
No, you did not. I'm just amazed at your courage.
How do you mean?
The way you and my father get along so well.
Your father is like a father to me. My late father and your father were best of friends. He died while protecting your father in the battlefield.
I never knew.
Well?
How come no one told me?
Well, now you know.
You must hate my father now.
Never. My late father did it for Mbosi. And I, Jimba, would do the same.
You're really brave, Jimba.
Thank you, my princess.
Like
What talker? I can't talk about it. Every What did you put inside this oil?
just eat.
I should just eat. This is so sweet.
No,
Hold on,
I've been searching all over for you. Where have you been?
Ah. Uloma, what brings you to my house? What of Kambili, your brother?
It's fine. Actually, I was very worried about you.
Please come and join us. Expensive.
Will you shut up your mouth? Are you stupid? Are you the one to tell me to eat and when not to eat in this house? I should tell you where to eat and when not to eat. Do you understand?
Uloma,
What?
what is it?
Akuna, tell her to go.
What did you say?
Akuna, she should go.
Not in your life!
Are you shouting at me because of her? Because of this thing? And I'm talking, you are still eating. I can't eat. Tell her to go. You can go now. Tell her to go now!
Not in your life! As you can see, she is now living with me.
You should go. Get up and go! Go now!
She's going nowhere. Uloma,
Akuna,
respect.
get
Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Uloma. Uloma.
Leave! Leave!
Uloma, respect.
I'm not going to leave! I'm not going to leave! I'm not
Uloma.
going to leave!
Hey!
Hey, what? Give me! Give me!
Go inside! Uloma! Uloma! Uloma, stop this! You're able to come over!
Give me!
Uloma!
No!
Go inside! Uloma, stop! Go! Leave my house!
Uloma, my beloved sister, why are you so upset?
Can you imagine? That your stupid friend Akuna. Can you imagine?
What did he do to get you this upset?
Akuna looked at me in the eye. Akuna told me with his mouth and looked at me eyeball to eyeball. He told me that stupid girl Olamiri now lives with him. Like, I don't even understand.
I see.
No, don't tell me, you see. Kambili, please, I beg of you. You have to help me now. I cannot afford to lose him. Not now. And not because of that stupid girl. Please.
It's alright. I will talk to him.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Smile. Smile for me. Okay, good. But you help me appeal this one.
No, I'll play with you.
Please, I want to talk to you.
What is it?
Who is she?
Who?
The girl that ran out of here like her whole body was on fire.
Oh, Uloma. Don't bother yourself about her. She's always like that. Hmm? She likes doing tantrum here and there all the time.
But, Akuna, I think she's in love with you.
Uloma is only in love with herself. Hmm? And aside that, she's like a sister to me. Nothing else.
So, you tell me, who are you in love with?
She's sitting right in front of me.
Let me help you with you.
I'm not thinking of it, but I'm trying to do a combination with them. So that I can cure malaria.
Which one do you start with? This one?
No, this thing has to come from your cheek. Whatever your cheek is, you have to do a combination.
Okay,
So I'll let you teach you how to do it. Now, you bring out this one.
Have you heard what? That Nkechi is pregnant for Mazi Okeke.
Hey!
Arrow. Unbelievable.
Nkechi is pregnant for who?
Nkechi is pregnant for Mazi Okeke.
That's never ending.
Nkechi.
Hey,
Again. The news is going everywhere in this village.
Okay.
Greetings, Maiden.
Greetings. Is that not the stranger that stays with Akuna?
She's beautiful, they say she is. Why will Akuna accommodate a stranger in his house? Someone he doesn't even know where she came from.
I heard he found her in the bush lying unconscious.
Oh, poor girl.
You say who is pregnant?
Nkechi Mazi Okeke pregnanted her. Hey, seriously. The news is everywhere in this village. I'm even surprised that I don't believe it. No problem.
Guess who I'm basking with? Who? Guess.
Come on, I can't guess. Who?
Timba. Look at how long I've cost you, my friend. I've never felt like this my entire life. I just wish I can be in his arms always. I love him. I love him. Don't let your mother hear you such. How else am I supposed to express my love for him? Look at what love I've cost you, my friend.
What brings you to the palace?
An impending darkness looms in the kingdom of Umbos.
It's in the language you can understand.
A great havoc is about to be wreaked. The evil wind blows towards our direction. We need to be careful. Be warned.
This is strange. Strange, Igwe. Strange indeed. Igwe, may the gods save us all.
What is it?
How are you doing?
Ikem, I'm fine, thank you. So why did you bring me here?
I want to express my love for you.
Yes. Love?
Yes.
For me, Ikem?
Yes. The love I have for you. The love I have for you is growing every day. And I can't keep it to myself anymore.
This just came as a sudden to me, King. I never knew you had love for me all this while. You never told me about it.
Yes, Achebe. Whenever I go to war, the thought of you brings me back.
Ikem, you have to give me some time to think about this.
Okay, fine. I'll give you all the time to think about it. I'm a man with patience.
Okay, no problem. I'll get back to you.
Alright, then.
I'll be on my way now. Take care. Thank you so much.
Let's go. What is it? The looks in your eyes.
What happened to my eyes?
Okay. What did he tell you? What does he want?
He claims he loves me.
Hey!
No,
let's go. Oh, no, wait!
Uloma, you asked me to come and see you here. What is it?
Yes, because I needed to see you urgently.
No, what is it? Please speak up. You know I'm very busy.
Yes. Akuna, you know you've given me virtually everything I want. You've been like, in fact, you're like family to me. You've given me everything that I need. I look forward to seeing you every day of my life. Akuna, where did all this vanish to? Where did it go to?
Uloma, I don't understand what you mean. I have already taken you as my sister. Like my family. Is that not enough?
Akuna, you are not my family. We are not related. Like, you're not my blood. Don't you understand? Akuna, all I ask of you is to love me as a woman, not as a sister. I am not your sister. Please. I'm begging you. Please. Akuna, you can't do this to me. I am not your sister. Please.
Uloma, I'm sorry I can't. I already have someone I'm in love with. Someone who has stolen my heart already. I'm sorry.
No, Akuna, you cannot. That girl is a stranger. You don't even know her. You don't know where she's from. You don't know where she came from. You can't do this to me. Akuna, no. All I'm begging you is to love me. Is that too much to ask? Is it?
I love her. And I will always love her.
Akuna, please. I am begging you with everything that I have right now. Please. Akuna, please. Akuna, please. Please. Akuna, you can't do this to me. I am begging you. Akuna, please. 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 Akuna, please.
I'm sorry.
No, Akuna, what? Akuna. Oh. And he told me that he is in love with a stranger.
Calm down, Uloma. There are thousands of men in Mbosi you can choose from.
Akuna is the one I want. I have chosen him and it is final.
He belongs to someone.
No! Don't you say that! He belongs to me and me alone!
Ulo.
Yes, beautiful one. I couldn't bear staying away from you. Your love keeps pulling me back.
So you couldn't stay away?
Yes, Olamere. Olamere, I think your beauty has enchanted me. For all I could think of is to come back and be with you, hold you in my arms, and show you how much I love you.
Akuna, you flatter me with your words. And your words are softening my soul.
Let me show you how much I love and care about you. Please. Oh, I didn't know you're such a good dancer.
You were watching me dance?
Yes. I like the way you dance.
Thank you. Akuna, I've been wanting to ask you this.
Okay.
How did you become such a great medicine man and a seer that everybody keep raving for you from far and near?
A gift. It's a gift handed over to me from my father and from his father to him.
Okay. So does that mean you also pass it on to your son?
Yes. I will pass it on to my son. Our son shall inherit the gift.
Our son?
Yes, our son.
Kim, what did you say?
About my growing love for you.
Kim, you have to give me some time. You just told me. Please.
Chebe, there's nothing like giving you time. Eh? There's nothing to think about. But I love you. I want to give you my heart. I'm ready to give you whatever thing you want. I'm coming for good. Please.
Kim, I have to think about this. I have to be sure. Please, just understand with me.
Okay.
Give me a little time.
Fine. I will give you time to think about it. Then make sure you give me a positive answer.
Alright, I will try to do that.
Thank you.
Alright, I'll be on my way.
Okay then.
My friend, what is wrong with you?
Dimba, I can't stop thinking about her. I think she's the one for me.
So my friend has finally caught the love bug.
Dimba, my friend, you know that I can never be like you. You and I know that each time you see the princess, you wet yourself.
I do no such thing, my friend.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't, Ikemba. I do no such thing.
Then prove me wrong.
I will prove you wrong, Ikemba. I will definitely prove you wrong.
Let's go see the princess.
Ikemba.
You always doubt my words. Let's go see the princess and see if you will not wet yourself.
I'll prove you wrong, Ikemba. I'll definitely prove you wrong.
Dimba. Dimba.
How are you, my princess?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. You look good.
Thank you. You look good too.
Thank you.
You came back.
Please, my princess.
So why are we here?
I just wanted to see you.
Okay, now that you have seen me,
I'm a happy man now. I mean, you look very beautiful.
Thank you.
I hope you're happy too.
My elders, the people of Umualu is at it again. I call this meeting to inform you that there will be trouble in this land soon.
What is the trouble about again this time?
The people of Umualu has stepped into our land again.
Igwe, I thought this land issue has been settled once and for all.
Yes.
And what is it again? Are they declaring war against us? If it is what they want, we give them war. We are not afraid of them, are we?
The people of Mbosi has never bowed to anyone. Never. We have never lost a battle.
We can't.
And we cannot start losing now. Not to Umualu people.
For where?
We shall give them war if that's what they want.
We will give them war.
Guards, go to Dimba the greatest warrior of Mbo's kingdom. Get him here immediately.
Yes, Your Highness.
I will give them war.
We are not afraid of them. Who do they think they are?
Greetings, great warrior of Mbosi. The Igwe asks that you come to the palace immediately.
Go back to the palace and tell Igwe I will be with him shortly.
Greetings.
Whatever they want, we give them.
If they want war,
We give them war. It's our land. We can't leave it for them.
Igwe, Simba will be
Igwe. Elders of our land, I greet you.
Dimba, you're welcome.
You are
Igwe,
welcome.
you sent for me.
Dingba, Mbos have been challenged.
Yes.
The Omwalo people want to go to war with us. I want you to assemble all the finest warriors in Mbos land and prepare them for battle in the next fortnight.
Igwe. We shall make Mbosi proud.
Do that. We trust you. That is what I'm telling you. How much people will deal with them?
Been a long time coming. I've been on the battlefield. Your wish is about to be granted. We shall go to war and come back victorious. Mbosi has never lost a war on the battlefield. We shall go to war and we shall win. That is the spirit. Because I can't wait to crush all my enemies that tries to stand on my way. Kikimba, we shall make Mbosi proud. We shall go to war and come back victorious. Victory is ours. Mbosi must win. Kikimba, we go to war in the fortnight. Rise, my friend.
Tell me, great year of Mbosi, do we win this battle?
Dimba, the greatest warrior of Mbosi. You should know that Mbosi has never lost any battle. And this one is of no difference.
Akuna, my friend, if only you could join us on the battlefield, we would make a great team.
No. I will leave you to handle this battle yourself. You have the power and the force to be reckoned with.
Thank you, my friend. I'll take my leave. What brings you?
I hear you'll be going to battle in a fortnight.
My princess, you knew this day would come. Why worry?
I have always known that this day will come. But I'll never get used to you going to battle.
Come on. You don't need to worry. I'll go to battle and I'll come back alive. I'll smile for you. Come on,
So how is Olamiri?
Well, Olamiri is fine.
Has she been able to remember anything?
Nothing. Nothing at all.
So what are you going to do about it?
There's nothing I can do except to give her the love I can possibly give.
Akuma, don't you think you're going down a dangerous path?
Dangerous path?
Yes.
How do you mean?
I mean, you don't know this girl, and what if she's dangerous?
Dangerous?
Yes.
Well, that will be my cross to carry.
But Akuna, you...
Can't believe. Let it go. Okay? I have to run along now so that I can get some herbs before it gets down.
I just hope you know what you're doing though.
Cannabis na wanya o, kaije mi te o, cannabis na wanya o, kaije mi te o, cannabis na wanya o, kaije mi te o.
It's okay. It's okay. So you came. It's okay.
Okay. I'm no more joking right now. He came. Are you really going to war?
Like you're worried I'm not going to return alive.
Yes, I am so worried. I am worried you're not going to return alive.
See, you don't need to be worried, Achebe. I will return. Okay? Just relax your mind, okay? So tell me, are you going to miss me?
That's not a question to ask. Ikem, I will miss you so much. I'm going to be so worried about you. Please.
Then your love shall bring me back. And the thought of you shall give me strength. My love.
Then think of me anytime. And promise me you will return for me alive.
I will.
Promise.
I promise. My love. I'll be back. I promise.
Ulama!
Oh, Zinachi.
Can't believe you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I was actually looking for your sister.
Oh, she went out earlier.
Okay. I'll come back later.
No, why don't you join me inside? I have enough food.
Thank you very much. I'm alright.
No, I insist, please.
Kambili, don't worry. When Uloma comes back, I'll come.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
This is one of the best herbs around. Take it. It is for protection.
So how do we use it?
Every warrior must chew from this herb. Now go. Go and make Mbosi proud.
Thank you. Thank you.
Igwe, you sent for me.
Wise one, eye of the gods. Mbosi is about to embark on a journey of an unknown land to battle the Omualo people. Tell us, Honora, was this the impending doom that you saw?
This does not compare to the downfall that awaits Mbosi.
Hey, I don't understand.
The gods will reveal the fate of Mbosi at the right time.
Uloma, I'm so worried about the fate of our warriors.
Tell me the truth. Yes. You're worried because of the warriors, or you're worried because of Ikemba?
Yes, I'm worried because of Ikemba. But I'm also worried about the warriors. I pray that the gods bring them back home safe.
Of course you know the gods will bring them back.
My friend, I hope so.
I know so. Okay.
I'm just worried.
Hold on. You carry just this three.
I want to give you this heavy please.
Madam, no, you do your own.
Don't joke with me. No! Don't joke with me, my friend.
Mbasi wemeri, ayi wemeri, 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 mbasi wemeri,
Helele mama, helele mama, helele mama, helele mama, helele mama, hey,
Beautiful ladies of Umbosi, where are you going? Looking so excited that you did not notice the presence of Ahamefula, the great hunter in this village.
And that was why you stopped us. That was why you stopped us. If I slap you now, you will get her from the way. What?
Actually, we're on our way to the palace. Yeah. Igwe is having a feast for his finest warrior. Won't you come?
I'll be there. I will be there.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
Nice.
That's nice. Now
Okay.
you keep going.
I'll meet you guys at the palace. Uloma.
What's your name?
mama. Ugomaluma. I don't go. What do you call it? I don't go.
Why do you disrupt my peace?
I greet you. I greet you.
Speak.
It's been a while we had results from your daughter. And the people of Anabi are worried.
Do you question my ways?
No, goddess of the sea, no. I'm only but a messenger. Just a messenger.
Have you forgotten how you came to me for?
One beautiful queen. Ugebe. Walicha. Why am I gonna sing deep there? I've come before you. Standing before you, begging for your presence. Begging for your presence to come and give solution. Beauty of all beauty. Appear! 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 Goddess of the sea, your humble servant is standing before you. Goddess of the sea, Anabi clan is gradually fading away right before our eyes. And the Igwe has passed on due to the station that is facing Anabi clan. As we speak, no one is willing to take the crown for the fear of Mbosi clan. Anabi is destroyed.
Why come to me?
Anabi clan have been humiliated, dejected and intimidated by Mbosi clan. And we need stronger spiritual powers to fight them. That is why I have come to consult you.
I will help you, great servant of mine.
Your wish will be done.
Thank you, goddess of the sea.
Do I really have to do this?
Yes, my child. This is only but a test to show how you can handle situations. And I need you to do this, my daughter.
Mother, but I'm not ready yet.
You are more than ready, my child.
How?
Look into my eyes. Receive it. Take it. Receive it. Go and conquer. Go, my child, and conquer.
I have not forgotten. Goddess of the sea, I have not forgotten. It's just that people of Anabi are worried and scared. They are on my neck.
Then give it time. I said give it time. Everything will be okay.
Thank you, God bless you.
You may leave.
Thank you, God bless you.
Stranger.
Uloma, what is it? Do you have a problem with me?
I have a very big problem with you. I have a very, very big problem with you. You know what? I want you to go back to wherever you're coming from and leave Akuna for me. He is mine.
Uloma, but obviously I am not holding Akuna. Am I?
You are holding him with your witchcraft, with your charms.
Uloma, did you just call me a witch?
Yes, I'm calling you a witch and I will call you a witch over and over again. You know what? Oh, you think you can seduce him and hold him with your beauty, right?
Uloma, I can see jealousies eating you up. Unfortunately, I don't have your time.
I am not jealous of you. And please, I am begging you for the last time. Leave him for me.
Okay.
Don't dare me.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
So Uloma dared me. Uloma called me a witch. I, Olamiri. Come to think of it, if it was a physical combat, would she defeat me? Ah, Uloma. Uloma.
What is going on? What is going on? I thought you guys are my friends. What is going on? I thought you girls are my friends. My fight is your fight. What's going on?
I have asked you, Loma. What are you going to do?
In fact, I don't know. All I want is for her to just go. I want her gone. In fact, I want her out of the surface of this earth. That is what I want.
Hold on now. And if she doesn't want to go, beat her up. I mean, kill her. Do whatever you want to do to her. What kind of nonsense is this? Hey? What is Akuna doing about this?
Like I care? I don't care. All I'm going to do right now is what I want to do. I don't care about what he thinks and what he feels.
But Uloma, you need to be very careful, my dear friend. Whatever you do, you have to be very careful. You know, everything lies in the hands of Akuna. So be very careful. Do you hear me? Be careful. Uloma, this girl is becoming a pest. You have to do something about it before it's too late. Yes. Should we give you this hole? You want to kill her with this hole? Go and fight her with this hole.
Playing now.
Go and fight her! Just wait. Let's finish so that we'll be discussing it. Just wait. I'm almost through. Don't worry, we're going to fight her for you.
Oh yeah. I should do it again. Will you dance for me? Okay, get ready to dance. What kind of dance is that?
Why don't you teach her to blow it?
That's true. Okay, let me show you. These two of them. Blue eggs. Do you know that in our place, a woman doesn't blow? It's like an abomination to blow flutes.
Why?
Because it's meant for strong men.
So you're strong. Yes, you
Okay, now it's time for you to dance with me.
Okay.
Will you dance? Get ready. My princess, you look beautiful.
Thank you. You haven't been to the palace for a while now.
Oh yes, that's true. Forgive me, my princess. I've been very busy.
Too busy to check on a friend.
Well, your humble servant apologizes. My princess, meet Olamiri, the damsel that have stolen my heart. Olamiri, meet our princess.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Olamide. I'll stop by the hut some other time.
No problem, my princess. My heart and my compound is open for you always.
Thank you.
She's so beautiful.
Not as beautiful as you. You know, you are my princess. She is the princess of Ihapasi. You know that. Okay, back to what we're doing.
He looked really happy. And he was with the stranger.
The stranger, everyone keeps talking about her beauty.
She is so pretty. So pretty.
If she's that beautiful, then I can't wait to set my own eyes on her.
Of course you will.
Greetings, my princess.
Go inside and get me some fruits. Be fast about it.
Mother.
Oh, my princess.
You seem so happy.
Smiling to yourself.
Yes, my child. I'm so happy. Do you know I overheard your father discussing with the elders how Umbos is growing? And it's making me so happy.
Umbos is celebrated by all, far and near.
Yeah, indeed.
Mother, I want to go out. I intend to visit Akuna.
That's why you're dressed like this. No problem. Just make sure you take your medicines along with you. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Okay.
You can go, but take care of yourself for me.
I will.
I
Go
will.
in peace. Thank you, mother. Thank you. I decided to stop by and see you, since you won't come to the palace to see me.
Come on, princess. I already apologized. Anyway, it's an honor to have you here.
Why won't you just stop treating me special? We grew up together.
You know you are special, my princess.
Hola, Mary. How is she?
She's fine.
Where is she from?
Well, I don't know. Actually, she practically forgot everything about her past. I saw her conscious in the bush, so I brought her.
And you trust her?
Yes. And I love her with all my being.
That's fine. I'm happy for you. I'm glad you can get all the happiness that you want.
Thank you. So what do I owe this uncle's visit? What do I offer you?
Water.
Sure you actually take water in my house?
It came back.
Oh, Wale Tambo.
Yes, my
My
love.
love.
Yes, my love. You just know how to flatter me. Think back, greetings. Yes, nice food.
Oh, my love, come and sit down, come and sit, Dimpa, easy now.
People are so hungry.
Great warriors, they don't eat.
Jimmy, bring the food down.
No, don't worry.
You bring.
What the hell is Peace.
I'm so happy. Love you.
Love you. Thank you.
So tell me, who is this beautiful maiden that has stolen the heart of Kambili, my good friend?
How did you?
You tend to forget who Akunda is.
Sometimes I forget your gift. Well, it's Zinachi. Yes,
Zinachi.
Zinachi. I see her in my dreams. I see her everywhere. She's the one for me.
Nice. But have you told her?
Do you think she would accept me if I tell her?
Well, she will not know what you feel for her unless you tell her.
Okay. I'll have to tell her then. So, how is Olamiri?
Olamiri. Olamiri is fine. She's doing just great.
I like the way you repeated the name.
The love of my life.
Kambili, you asked me to meet you here.
Yes, I needed us to talk.
Hope all is well. How is Uloma?
All is well. Uloma is fine. I've been trying so hard to keep this to myself.
What is it, Kambili?
Zinachi, I'm in love with you. And I've been in love with you for a very long time. Especially these days you come to see my sister.
You have?
Yes, Zinachi.
I'm sorry, Kambili. I'm not interested. I'm sorry.
Zinachi. Zinachi. Hi.
Your Highness, don't you think it's time we give our daughter out in marriage to Dimba?
Woman, why the rush? Take it easy, woman. She will get married when the time comes.
Your Highness, I'm not rushing.
I know.
Or have you forgotten that Dimba and Zeroma have been betrothed to each other right from childhood?
Yes, I know that. But you have to be a little bit patient. Zeroma is still very young. When the time comes, she will get married.
She's not young. Me, I want to go to Omugo and I wish to carry my grandchildren. Yes.
I too would like to carry my own grandchildren. Even my brother Omugo. I too can go to Omugo now.
Your Highness, Omugo is not meant for kings like you. Will you leave your throne?
Oh, okay.
Your
No
Highness.
problem.
And I'm tired of all this old rapper that I have here. I want her to marry.
She will marry, just don't worry, my dear. She will get married.
I have told you I'm not interested. I'm beginning to get pissed. As a matter of fact, you are harassing me, Kambili.
Hear me out, Inachi. I've been having sleepless nights all because of you. Everything I do, it's you in my head. Please.
It is complicated. How will Uloma feel if she finds out about us? How?
Don't get yourself worried about how she would feel. She'll be happy for us.
You know how your sister Uloma is. I don't want to cross her path. I don't want to have any problem with her.
What are you saying? I love you, Zinachi. You mean so much to me. Please, give me a chance.
I'm not interested.
Zinachi, I love you.
I'm so sorry. What kept you? Don't be angry. I was trying to take care of the cassava my mother would take to the market.
No problem, let's go, let's go.
I'm so sorry. Let's go. And our friend Tina, is she still going on about getting a woman? I don't. All I know is that Akuna is not interested in her. If I was her, I would let Akuna be. I feel bad for her. I feel so bad for her. But do you know what? I'm in love with Ikemba. I'm so in love with Ikemba. That's just the truth. Well, I Kambili. Did you say Kambili? Which of the Kambili? The one I know. Kambili. You are in love with Kambili. My dear friend. Since when? Since forever. Yeah? Since forever. My friend.
Afan, why did you stop me?
Uloma, I'm only trying to get your attention.
Okay, now you have it. Speak.
Okay, Uloma, I know you see me as an ordinary hunter in this village.
Which you are.
Uloma, I know you consider me not worthy of being your man, but I love you so much, Uloma.
Love who? What do you love? Oh, you think I would stoop myself that low to be with somebody like you? How?
Uloma, why don't you give me a chance instead of running after Akuna? Uloma.
did you just say?
Uloma, everybody in this village knows you're the one chasing after Akuna. Everybody knows, Uloma.
Afam. Okay, I heard what you said. But the next time you will stop me on the way again, I'll remind you of this.
Come on, Uloma.
Don't you ever stop me again. And don't ever talk to me, else.
Okay, Nife.
Loma, she's always fighting everybody in this village.
My sister. I'm not even scared of her.
Why should I be scared of her?
Who does she even think she is?
She's so full of herself.
Seriously. Please, let's do this thing very fast.
But that girl is very strong. Hey.
We are not scared of her.
You're not scared?
Strong, yes.
Hey, me, I'm not scared though, but my sister, I can't compete with her. Let's be sincere. My dear, please, let's just hurry up and finish this thing. Okay. And forget about this Uloma of the girl. Please, go and look for food for us. So we have been helping you since morning. We are hungry.
No problem. I will.
What is wrong?
It's not that stupid, useless Aftermathuna, whatever his name is called. Go and warn him, oh! Go and warn him. If not, I will slap him again.
You slapped a man?
A man? Do you call that one a man? Warn him, else I will beat him up this time. I'm telling you the truth. Go and warn him.
What did he do?
Can you imagine that idiot that said he loves me? He goes around the whole village telling everybody how much he loves me. Yet he was insulting me because of that Akuna.
I see.
You see? Is that the only thing you say?
What else do you want me to say?
I'm begging you. I am begging you. Please go and warn that your friend, because it is because of him they are mocking me in this village. You should send that girl away. Olamiri or whatever her name is called, she should leave this village. She must go.
Okay, calm down. I'll talk to him.
You better do.
I was even thinking someone was chasing you.
Hey ya, hey, hey, 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 hey ya, hey, hey.
That old witch. I know she's the one spoiling people's mind about me. Anyways, thank the gods I couldn't have never believed her. I know what to do.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
The wind blew me towards the right direction. Just the one I needed to see.
Wise one. Hope all is well.
Send her away. The one you have kept with you. Send her away.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
She would lead you to your downfall. Send her away.
Where's one I'm in love with her? How can I send someone I'm in love with away?
Then be ready to face the havoc that awaits you.
Akuna, are you okay? You look upset.
Yes, I'm fine. I have to go now. I have to go somewhere.
Akuna!
Talk to me, Akuna. You've been quiet since you got here. What is wrong?
What am I doing here, Kamili?
How do you mean?
I need to go. I need to go.
Akuna! What could be wrong with him?
Where could have Akuna gone to? Or could it be that the old woman have told them something about me? Akuna, where have you been?
I stepped out to take fresh air.
Akuna, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, let's go inside.
Why doesn't he love me? Why? Am I so unlovable? Akuna, my heart beats only for you. And why do you have to love that witch Olamiri? And yet you can't love me. Why?
Okay, more Why is this one sweet now? It's so sweet.
Because it came out from my hand.
I take this one. This one. But we're not okay. You see, anytime I look into your eyes, I am carried away by your love. You capture my heart more than any other person before you.
Thank the God she makes me unconscious that we at the bush. I wouldn't have met such a nice man like you.
And I thank the gods for putting me in your path that day. Okay, tell me. Can you remember anything now? You can't. Oh, okay, no problem. That's no problem. You can stay with me forever if you want. Want to feed yourself? This one is sweet. Maybe it's because you are the one that gave it to me. Okay, take this one.
It's not sweet.
I know, yeah, because I gave it to you. I know you say it's not sweet. Don't want this one.
Akunna! Where is Akunna? Where is Akunna? Where is Akunna?
Osanuza azobu ute chilechi ngwele ni ibi azobu ute dị mma nne kubekwa nna kubekwa nne kubekwa go 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 bow 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 bow. It's almost upon us. Dangerous. But stay that was the best.
gods of our land, tell me what to do to avert this downfall. Go, 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 bow, 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 go, 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 bow, 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 bow. Nina huni azobu te kalanka, osaluza azobu te chilechi, mbole nibi azobu te dimma, nna kubekwa, bow, 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 bow.
I have been here waiting for you.
Why would you be waiting for me here when you can easily come to the hut? It's just a few feet away from here.
I needed to speak to you alone, away from her.
Away from home?
Hola, Mary.
What are you saying?
I had a dream. I think she's possessed. You need to send her away.
Zarema, I think you need to go back to the palace and relax.
Akuna, please, listen to me. Please.
Like it. I plugged this here. All because of you.
Hey! What is going on here? What is going on here? What are you doing with my brother?
Mama, I can explain. I wanted to tell you, but...
You wanted to tell me, but you did not tell me. I took you as my sister. You are my best friend. I tell you virtually everything about my life and you know it.
Oh, Mama, I can explain. I can explain, Oloma. I'm sorry. Oloma, please listen to me. I love your brother. I love him so much. Please be happy for us.
For how long has this been going on? Speak.
For a while now.
Okay. But you know what? I don't ever want to see you close to me ever again. You are a traitor. That is who you are. Just shut up. And don't you ever talk when I'm talking. Get out. Go. can you believe that she went behind my back to be with my brother?
Uloma, I think you should be happy for both of them. Their love has finally blossomed. They're in love.
Okay, Achebe.
Yes.
You knew about this all the while? I'm talking to you. Can you answer me like, did you?
Yes, I did. She told me about it.
Okay. All my friends are liars. You are a traitor. That is who you are. Yes!
You call me a traitor?
That me is who you are. You know what? Just leave my house now.
I should leave your house.
Like you didn't hear me. Can you go? Achebe, go! Just go. Go, go. Just go. Get out.
Okay,
go.
I'll go.
Fine. Fine. Then go.
Snatching. Thanks the girls I met you here.
Actually?
Yes, my friend. I was actually on my way to Luma's house.
I hope there's no problem.
There's a problem.
Come, my friend, so we can sit down.
Let's go. Uloma is not happy at all. She is not. She is very angry with you.
Is it my fault? It is not my fault. Look, Achebe, I tried talking to Uloma, but she would not listen. Come to think of it, why is she angry? Why? Why is she jealous?
Who won't be jealous? Tell me. Who won't be? Don't forget, it's her brother we're talking about here. So she has every right to be jealous, my friend.
So, what do you want me to do?
As for me, I think we should just give her space. Let's give her time. She will come around. She will come around. Let's give her space. Okay?
You think so?
I don't think so. I know so. That's the best thing we can do for her now. Alright? Come here. I missed you. What are you cooking?
I'm trying to make soup.
You are trying to be making soup already.
You like it? I plugged this here. All because of you.
Hey! What is going on here? What is going on here? What are you doing with my brother?
Mama, I can explain. I wanted to tell you, but...
You wanted to tell me, but you did not tell me. I took you as my sister. You are my best friend. I tell you virtually everything about my life and you know it.
Oh, Mama, I can explain. I can explain, Uloma. I'm sorry. Uloma, please listen to me. I love your brother. I love him so much. Please be happy for us, Uloma.
For how long has this been going on? Speak.
For a while now.
Okay. But you know what? I don't ever want to see you close to me ever again. You are a traitor. That is who you are. Just shut up. And don't you ever talk when I'm talking. Get out. Go. Get out. Go! Get out! Out!
Can you believe that she went behind my back to be with my brother?
Uloma, I think you should be happy for both of them. Their love has finally blossomed. They're in love.
Okay, Achebe.
Yes.
You knew about this all the while? I'm talking to you. Can you answer me like, did you?
Yes, I did. She told me about it.
Okay. All my friends are liars. You are a traitor. That is who you are. Yes!
You call me a traitor.
That me is who you are. You know what? Just leave my house now.
I should leave your house.
Like you didn't hear me. Can you go? Achebe, go! Just go. 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 Just go. Get out. Okay. Go.
I'll go.
Fine. Fine. Then go.
Snatching. Thanks the girls I met you here.
Actually?
Yes, my friend. I was actually on my way to Luma's house.
I hope there's no problem.
There's a problem.
Come, my friend, so we can sit down.
Let's go. Uloma is not happy at all. She is not. She is very angry with you.
Is it my fault? It is not my fault. Look, Achebe, I tried talking to Uloma, but she would not listen. Come to think of it, why is she angry? Why? Why is she jealous?
Who won't be jealous? Tell me. Who won't be? Don't forget, it's her brother we're talking about here. So she has every right to be jealous, my friend.
So, what do you want me to do?
As for me, I think we should just give her space. Let's give her time. She will come around. She will come around. Let's give her space. Okay?
You think so?
I don't think so. I know so. That's the best thing we can do for her now. Alright? Come here. I missed you. What are you cooking?
I'm trying to make soup.
You're trying to be making soup already.
My princess, what is it? Why are you here?
Father, I want to ask, do witches still exist in Mbosi?
Daughter, why do you ask?
I had a dream. And the dream was about witches.
The face of the girl that I saw in that dream looks like that girl in Akuna's house.
Did you have any encounter with her?
No.
Then why are you troubled?
Father, I don't like the dream.
My dear, it's just a dream. We don't have witches in Boss Kingdom. No. So cheer up. Just a mere dream. So just forget about it. It's a dream. Just cheer up, my dear. Cheer up.
My princess.
Mother.
What is troubling you?
Mother, you know me too well.
Yes, I know you too well because I'm your mother. I gave birth to you. You can talk to me. What is the problem?
Nothing. I'm fine.
You are fine. Does it have anything to do with Dimba?
No, Dimba is fine. He's okay.
If you say so. Hope you've eaten. Omalecham.
Wise one, we greet you.
Elders of Umbosi Kingdom, what brings you to the shrine?
Great one, we are here to find out if you have heard from the gods.
The gods would only speak when they are ready.
When shall they be ready? When is the right time, wise one?
Do you want to force the hands of the gods?
No, great one. We are not trying to force the gods. But they have been silenced for too long.
You want the gods to speak? You want to pressurize the gods?
No, great one. No.
The gods will reveal what they have for you when they are ready.
Gods, I can feel you in the rain.
Speak to me, for I hear you better in the rain. I hear you, God. The gods of our land. You provide for us by providing rain. Our farms, our trees, our fruits. Iago, Iago, go. Iago, Iago, go.
Iago, Iago, go. Zagoaya. Iago, Iago, go.
Do you think one can expect something from us? For what I'm saying. I don't think she's hiding anything. Are you sure she's not hiding anything about the ghost? How can she hide something from us? For what? What reason has she? She has no reason. She has no reason, but we are waiting for too long. I know. And that's why we went there in the first place. Let's go. Alright.
Gods of our land, reveal yourself to me. Show me what is about to happen to Mbosi Kingdom. I can feel you everywhere. In the wind, in the sun, in the rain. I feel you in the leaves. Just talk to me. I am listening. Speak to me. so I would know how to avert the doom that is about to befall us. Iago, Iago, go. Iago, Iago, go.
Iago, Iago, go. Zago,
Hey, ya, hey, hey. 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 Hey, ya. Hey, ya. Hey, ya.
we just let go. You can't resist her. She's so powerful. She's so beautiful. The daughter of the river goddess. The princess of the river goddess. All of Mary, the princess of the great sea.
Hey, ya. 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 Hey, ya.
She's so powerful, she's so beautiful. You can't resist her beauty. All of Mary, the princess of the river goddess. All of Mary, the princess of the great sea.
Hey, ya. 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 Hey, ya.
Shall to come to an end, great devious Anabi.
We are depending on you, daughter of the sea.
And soon you shall celebrate.
Celebration! Celebration! We will celebrate. Yes. Now you can go.
Great Dibia, I need power to sustain.
drink of this river of life and get strengthened. Drink. Drink, my daughter.
Thank you, great Zibia.
Dr. Adusi, you can now go.
Strange about you, but I just cannot place my hands on it. You witch!
Uloma, you followed me.
Oh yes, I did. And you know what? Akuna will sure know about this.
No, he won't.
Oh yes, he will. You now watch me leave because I will tell him.
Uloma.
What? What?
Don't you dare.
What can you do?
Serves you right. Uloma, she deserved it. Uloma deserved to die. She had it coming anyways. She had beaten more than she can chew.
What am I saying? Onye kam na FIFA. Chimo. Hey. Oh no, ma'am. Who did this to you? Loma. Who did this to you, Loma? Talk to me. Loma, please talk to me. Talk to me. Who did this to you? These people have killed me. Loma, talk to me. I will kill anybody that will do this to you. That will do this to you, Loma. I will kill the person. They have succeeded in taking my peace. They have killed my Loma. These people have killed my Loma for me.
Why did you have to leave me like this? What? Where are you?
Ashibi, you're still here crying. Come, let's go. It's okay.
Baby! Uloma is gone. Uloma, our friend, is gone. Could it be that she committed suicide? What happened to Uloma? What?
I don't know. Who could be responsible for her death?
Uloma, why did you leave us? Why? Where did you go to? We miss you. Please come back. Thank you in the name of God. Mama, please come back.
It's okay.
Mama, please, what has she done? Who did she have? Mama,
it's okay, Ashley.
You go. Hey, hey.
Stop crying.
My sister, the danger in this embassy really keeps me worried. Could you imagine the sudden death of Uloma?
My sisters, it's really strange. And
Onuga is not even doing anything about it. I pity Kambili because he's the only one left in this lineage.
My dear, I don't pity anyone. When Uloma was alive, she felt she was better than everyone in this village.
Don't speak ill of the dead.
Hey.
My sister, don't mind her.
Akuna, my friend. Does it mean that the gods did not reveal my sister's death to you?
Honestly, Company, it surprises me. Obviously, the ways of the gods are not the ways of men. I'm sorry, my friend. Take heart.
I just can't believe that my sister is no more.
What is happening to me? It seems the gods are no longer with me. My gift is like a curse upon me. I can't even help my family when it was needed. Gods of our land, what is happening?
Tell me, Anna. Tell me what the problem is.
Why does it seem that my gift is no longer with me?
When you stay with the forbidden, the gods desert you.
Why do you speak in riddles, wise one?
She shall be your downfall if you do not listen to me. Her mission? Is to enchant you with her beauty.
Olamiri is not evil. You were mistaken.
Then why come to me if you do not believe?
I trust you, wise one.
She is the daughter of the river goddess. She will be your downfall. Yago, yago, go.
Yago, yago, go. Yago, yago, go.
Iago, iago, go, zagoaya.
Wise one. Has the God finally spoken?
The gods only speak when there's need to. Mbosi must go to war.
Why war?
Mbosi has to be tested. And if they succeed, all the neighboring towns would respect and fear them.
The gods are indeed wise.
Mbosi is to go to war against Anabi clan. The gods have deemed it fit that you go to war against the Anabi people. They are the sleeping dogs that have risen, and they have prepared for this war.
Mbosi fears no one. We shall go to war with the Anabis and defeat them.
You can only defeat on one condition.
And what is that condition?
If a member of the royal household leads the warriors to war, then you shall become victorious.
I have no son that can go to war.
The gods deem it fit that your daughter, the princess, would take the warriors to war. If she defeats them, the Anabi clan will be wiped off from the surface of the earth.
My princess?
What is it?
Father, is everything okay? You look worried.
Mbosi will go to war in a fortnight against the Anabi clan. People I thought we have wiped out of the surface of the earth a long time ago.
Igwe, why worry yourself? Mbosi always go to war and come back victorious.
Yes, Father. Mother is right. Mbosi has never lost a battle.
The God has spoken to Amara that a child from the royal palace must lead Mbosi to battle. Else, Mbosi shall lose the war.
Father, am I to lead Mbosi to battle?
The God has spoken. There's nothing we can do about that.
Maybe God forbid. My daughter is going nowhere. Battle is meant for warriors. And she's no warrior. She's not going anywhere. Don't mind your father. Wish God. God's in there. Don't mind him. Don't mind your father. We are not going anywhere.
Me. Oh God, even me. Hey, something must be wrong there. Something must be wrong. God, let's go. Let's go and find out. Let's go.
Tell me it's not true. Tell me you're not going to battle with the warriors of Mbosi.
It's true.
No! No! It's not possible. I won't let you. No, Zorima, no!
The gods have already decided my fate.
How can the gods decide such of you? How can the gods be so wicked? What is the plan, Dimba? We shall go to war and nothing else. And why would the gods choose the princess to lead us to war? The gods are wise. The ways of the gods are not the ways of man. We shall go to war and come back victorious. I, Dimpa, have spoken. I, Dimpa Mfunwanambasi, I have spoken. We shall go to war and come back victorious.
Please, my princess. My child, I do not want you to go, please. Please, I don't want to lose you.
Mother, stop crying. Everything will be alright. I will take the people of Mbosi to battle and return. The people of Mbosi count on me.
Please, I do not want to lose you. I don't want anything to happen to you, my child. Please.
Mother, you will not lose me.
Okay. Just promise me. Promise me you'll take care of yourself.
I promise.
Promise.
You will not lose me. You heard?
Yes. I want you to know that I will do anything to protect you.
Thank you very much. At least you believe in me.
I want you to come by the court later today so that I'll prepare something special for you.
That's okay. I'll do as you say. Thank you.
My princess, I can't still believe you didn't know this battle.
Fatima, please don't start.
My princess, you know I care about you. I worry about you.
I know.
Then why act so tough?
Because if I do not act tough, I will break down. and I do not want to break down.
My princess, you don't need to act strong for Mbosi. Mbosi is not worth it.
I need to be strong. Mbosi is worth it.
I miss you.
I miss you too.
Remember to wear this before the battle. It will always protect you.
Thank you, Akuna. You are far too kind.
Go, Zerema. Go and make Mbosi proud. We all are counting on you.
Thank you.
And so long as you lead Mbosi warriors to the battle, we must come out victorious.
Thank you once again. Great seer of Mbosi. Thank you. I'll be on my way.
Mbosi is prepared.
What do I see? Alabi is prepared.
Princess Zerima shall be leading Mbosi to the battle. And with her, Mbosi wins. Make sure she doesn't survive. Akuna has given Princess Zerima a necklace for protection. Take it off her. And that will be the end of her. By doing so, victory is ours.
You have done well, daughter of the sea. You can now go back.
Soon, I will return. Soon.
I can see you are happy.
Yes.
Now that your job is coming to an accomplishment.
Victory is ours. Yes.
You see that?
I see.
That is victory.
Ooh, it is looking glorious. It is victory!
Maya Sotriata, Zotia Magositalia, Hayama Satira, Batara, Siana. So I accept
Kanabina wanya o kaije bi te o kaije Kanabina wanya o kaije bi te o Kanabina wanya o kaije bi te o
Go belly lodge. The enchantress! The enchantress has succeeded in bringing down.
You think you can defeat me? I'm the great warrior! Oh!
My daughter! My daughter! If I said it! I said it! I want to die! I want to die! I want to die! Adam! Adam! I want to die! I want to die! I want to
Honora, you decided to show up now that my daughter is dead.
I traveled to the lands beyond to seek for answers.
And what answers did you get?
The one responsible for our downfall lives right here in the Kingdom.
Honora, what are you talking about? Speak up!
He knows what I'm talking about. The enchantress is the one that killed your daughter.
Akuna.
Your Highness, what is wrong? You know it's a lie. Olamiri is innocent.
She is not.
Why is she's innocent?
Shut up! She is not. One more word.
Olamiri! Olamiri! Olamiri!
Who really are you?
Akuna, I told you I can't remember.
Lies. Lies.
You are Olamiri, the daughter of the river goddess. Is that true?
I don't know what you're thinking.
I said, tell me the truth! You killed Zerema. Is that true?
Akuna, you know too much.
You have come to the end of the world.
Leave my way, you old woman. I am Olamiri, daughter of the river goddess, and I, Olamiri, fear no one.
I know who you are. Today will be your last. That is the evil one.
What do we do with her?
She cannot be killed. She must be buried alive. That is the only way Mbosi Kingdom would get rid of her.
Wise one. Ichi Okeke, go to the town crier. Tell him to summon the whole villagers to the palace now. God! Get me them back.